What's up, subscriber? And today video gonna be 3 things beginner investor need to know. So this is small stuff like when I started investing stuff like I did not know, and the more I started doing it and stuff, the more I started investing. I started doing this and stuff, and I started getting a little bit better. My investing started getting better and stuff. And I think if you can do the same stuff too, probably might improve your investing and stuff. So what I try to do, let's just get it in the video. So the first thing we're gonna do, first thing is you gotta do research on a company. You gotta do a lot of research on the company. You gotta research the company, know the balance sheet, know how many debt they have, know how many stuff they look like, and how many stuff they got in the businesses and stuff, how many debt they have, how many goodwill, all that other stuff, all the little stuff that you need to know about that and stuff. You gotta do the research on the company. That's the first step. The second one is that you need to read news about your company. Even good or bad news, you need to read it. That's how you get understanding of the company and stuff. You gotta read that and stuff. Don't just a bad news and make it you sell your company. Just read that to know what is bad going in your company and stuff, and how the CEO is handling that and stuff. That's how you get kind of better into the company, and you don't just sell your company when it just drop down right away and stuff. Cause you can be like, oh, they're gonna figure that out and stuff. Cause you already read that and you think it's kind of simple, and the CEO gonna figure out that. So you gotta read about your company. You gotta read about your stocks. You gotta know what is going on in your stocks and stuff. And the third one is gonna be you gotta listen to conference call. Me, when I started investing, I did not know about that and stuff until I started listening to it. I started listening to conference call. The more I listen to conference call, the more I know more about the company, and the more I know what type of state is the company on, and what is the next level in the company, and what type of stuff they're doing new, and what type of stuff they plan on doing, and what is new and what is not new and stuff. They kind of what they do, what they did not do and stuff. They kind of gave you almost everything in the explanation. And you can listen to the conference call, and also you can read it too. After the call, they write a script down, and you can read that too. You can read the conference call and stuff. That's how you get a more understanding into the company and stuff. That's some other way you can help yourself to know more about the company and stuff, and know more about the company you're investing in. And the fourth one I want to say is you gotta know how much debt the company got. You gotta know if the company is profitable or not. You gotta know if the company is on a value or not. You gotta know that little stuff there, cause that's really help you a lot if you know about that as a new investor. That's help you through the volatile and going down and going up, when to sell and when to buy back again. You're gonna know more about that and stuff. But that's all for now and stuff. That's just a little short video I wanted to make. I hope you liked the video, and I hope y'all got any stuff you want me to talk about and stuff, any topic. Just leave a comment down in below, and if you like the video, please don't forget to smash the like button, man. That's all, man. Peace out.